Good day, friends, and welcome back to another awesome day of modular technology. Right now, I'm going to take you to Google Classroom quick, and we need to check out a couple things to make sure you all understand what is happening. So first, every day we're going to start with the stream, and I'll have a small project to do, and that is what you're watching right now. And then when you're done, you must go to classwork, and then at the end of each chunk of classwork, you need to make sure you turn in your screenshots. So just to make sure you're up to date on how this works, for lesson 1 we had a screenshot of a square, for lesson 2 it was a screenshot of a house, for lesson 3 it was a screenshot of a house with a door and 2 windows, and then finally for lesson 4 the final screenshot would be a house with a garage, which you'll notice happens at the end of lesson 4. If you don't remember how to get a screenshot, let me show you that again. When you're back at the lesson, you're ready to turn in your assignment. So I'm going to hit the View Assignment page, and I'm going to add a file. So I'm all ready to drag the file over here. And then you need your logo open on the other side of the screen. Of course, each day we have to do file load. And then when you type CS House, your house with the cool garage will show. You can see mine is starting to be painted. That is what we start to learn in lesson 5. Once you have it on the screen, click on your little duck capture, which is the camera. Use the rectangle and just grab the picture of the little project and then save it. Minimize your logo. Look for the screenshot on your desktop. You'll see it with today's date, and then you can drop it on. Once it's there, choose Upload. And then finally, you can turn it in. Before the hour is done, those grades will be put in the grade book. If you don't have these turned in, I'm going to have to make them zeros because I need them each day when I ask for them. So make sure you get cracking. If you're stuck, let's use the call lights and get to work. Remember, you are doing an awesome job and you're working fast, and you are on your way to getting your house to this level of epicness. So keep moving through those lessons as efficiently as you can. Remember, I have not assigned lesson 5 yet, but if you go back to the first part of the stream, you can find the playlist and you can always get to the next lesson whenever you need it. So here's the entire playlist. If you've completed lesson 4, just cruise on down to lesson 5 and you'll start having fun with WoW and the amazing colors. Good job, everybody. Let's keep rolling, see what we can build.